Right, take a look at the EXD fight stick. EXD Diablo, Star Killer, Sandwall button. Yeah. I had to take away some of this black right here because it's fucking with my technique. I don't sweat the swag. The lighted up buttons in here and shit. Got the Xbox Live button. Do that shit. Start button. I ain't put a back button on it because nigga don't need a back button. I go forward, nigga. Light it up and shit. Right now, Fang put in some work on me right now. Can't really do this shit one-handed. Yeah. That's how you do it. Check out the inside. A little dirty. Just got done with it, but yeah. Still gotta clean it up for the tournaments and shit. Got some wires and shit in there. It's all hella dusty. Had to do that shit myself, but it's all good. It works. Back and forth. Yeah. That's your boy. The XD Diablo CC on 360.